What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a visual condition report on this Jeep, starting with the wheels. They are Pro Comp. I don't see any curb rash, and there's a lot of tread left here on these tires. Looking at the fender flare, overall looks really good. That section looks nice. You do have rock chips kind of peppered throughout this area. There's a larger one here. Got the light bar up there. Side mirror looks good. Got some touch-up spots here. And just a couple chips every once in a while. That fender flare looks good. Those wheels look nice. Got a bunch of tread here. This top looks good so far. And then looking at the front end here, we do have some rock chips peppered throughout. Some of them have been touched up, others have not. We see some chips here. And you're going to see them just kind of peppered throughout this area. The replacement bumper looks nice. Then looking at this fender flare, we do have a gash right there. The rest of it looks good. Those wheels look nice. We have some rock chips in this area. Got a rock chip here. You can see some chipping around the hinge. Side mirror looks good. This pillar looks nice. This is the Smittybilt brand. Overall, this top looks really good. You have some wear right here from getting in and out. That flare looks nice. Got a couple chips here and there on the wheels, but overall looks really good. Then looking at the back bumper here. Got a little corrosion right there. A couple scuffs here and there, but otherwise looks good. Spare wheel looks nice. Looks like a brand new tire. Taillight's clean. We have some damage right here. That taillight looks good. This is the Smittybilt brand. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got a little scuff here, but otherwise that door panel looks awesome. Like I said, you have the wear here on the edge, but then this is protecting the rest. Now we have some cracking and little sections of the leather missing right there. This bolster looks amazing, and the rest of that seat looks awesome. A little bit of wear on the steering wheel. Got the Pioneer audio. And then here on the top of the dash, we do have a crack right there. Climate control. Otherwise, all of this looks really good. Here on the passenger side, the door panel looks really nice. Got the rugged ridge trim here. That's nice and clean. Husky liners. Got the leather seats. And those look really nice. Overall, this side looks really good. And then looking at the back seat, that leather looks good. I don't see any rips or tears. Overall, the engine bay looks good. Of course, you're going to have some mud and dirt in the corners. But otherwise, it looks clean here on the top side.